Have you ever bought a PC? You probably have. And how did you decide which one you want? I bet you didn't choose the one that looks the best, but you did some investigation to determine which one would meet your needs. Or am I mistaken? Okay, let's say I'm not. So what did you look for? PC specifications most definitely. So CPU, memory, disk space and stuff. Actually, buying PCs is just an example. You can quickly determine that people make decisions based on characteristics or specifications all the time. And everything has specifications. Cars, PCs, mobile phones, even houses, and so on. Understanding those specifications is beneficial when you're trying to buy a new car. And it's actually the same with networks, where specifications help to describe its performance and structure. Understanding those specifications enables you to better understand how the network is designed and what type of performance you can expect from it. Actually, it is something that every network administrator should know about. Okay, but what are those specifications or network characteristics? Let's take a look at them. Topology is one of the most important specifications for network administrators, and there are two kinds of topologies: a physical topology and a logical topology. A physical topology is the actual map of the network. It will have everything marked down exactly how it is to the last cable. A logical topology, on the other hand, provides a more abstract end-user point of view of the network, where exact elements on the way to the destination do not matter. Time is money, so speed is one of those things to look for. Data transfer in bits per second on a given link in the network represents the speed of that link. If time is money, then money is definitely money. Cost is pretty much the main limiting factor behind every network. Cost is the expense of purchasing, installing, and maintaining the network. As a network administrator, you will have to find the balance between cost and speed all the time. The next specification is security. Security indicates how protected the network is, including the information that's transmitted over the network. The subject of security is important. Techniques and practices are constantly evolving. You should consider security whenever you have to take actions that affect the network. The main problem is, again, the balance between speed, security, and cost. Meticulously inspecting the traffic means that your network will be slow unless you buy enough equipment to handle everything. And the problem with buying things is that it's never cheap. You will always feel extra safe from the fire in a city that has a fire department on every street. The question is, do you know any cities like that? Moving forward, availability is a measure of probability that a network will be available for use when it's required. Most enterprise networks are required to be available at all times. Another one of those battles that network administrators have to fight is adding availability to the mix. Availability percentage can be calculated by this formula. When it comes to availability, you will hear people talking about the number of nines. 2 nines means 99%, while 4 nines means 99.99%. Another thing is reliability. Reliability indicates the dependability of components that make up the network, such as routers, switches, PCs, and servers. Last but not least, there's scalability. Scalability indicates how easily the network can accommodate more users and data transmission requirements. If you design and optimize a network for only the current requirements, it'll be very expensive and difficult to meet new needs when the network grows.